In this tutorial, I want to talk a bit about the ISERR function and the ISERROR function. And these are functions that return true for errors and false for things that aren't errors. The difference between the two of them is that the ISERRor function returns true if it is an error that's not NA, and the ISERRor function returns true for any errors. So you can see we have a VLOOKUP gone wrong, and because it's returning NA, ISERRor is false, and ISERRor is true. And to use these functions is very simple. So what you want to do is you can use ISERRor. You can either type in a formula here, or you can reference a cell. Same thing with ISERRor. You can either type in a formula, or you can reference a cell. And this is great because the true power in these functions is actually troubleshooting. So if you have a super long Excel function and you're trying to, rack your brain like, where did I go wrong? What's causing this error? Well, you can use these ISERRor and the ISERRor function to better pinpoint what could be going wrong with your Excel functions and what could be causing the error by breaking apart your super long Excel function into different pieces and then placing them inside this to see where it is causing an error. So we can, for example, do ISERRor, and nest this inside the VLOOKUP, and it returns true. Well, why? Well, for one thing, we have Andrew. We have N instead of Andrew, right? Andrew is right here, and is right here. So we're going to change to Andrew. And it is still true for an error, right? Well, why is that? Well, we see the VLOOKUP is trying to reference the fifth column, but there's only two columns being highlighted. So we change this to 2. And ISERRor now returns false because it's finding the value and not an error. So this is great because it can make troubleshooting your formulas a lot faster and much cleaner. So that's it. I hope you found this to be useful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.